To see the float on Interactive Brokers, first, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Make sure you are using the Trader Workstation platform, as it provides the tools needed for this process. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Market Data section. You can find it in the upper toolbar or by using the search feature. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to examine in the Market Data search box. Once you have selected the stock, locate the Fundamentals section of the information panel that appears. In this section, you will be able to view various details about the stock, including the float. The float is usually listed as a specific number indicating how many shares are available for trading. If you cannot find the float in the Fundamentals section, you may want to access the Earnings and Corporate Actions section as well. Sometimes, companies provide additional disclosures and details that can help you find the float there. Keep in mind that more information may be available depending on the type of subscription you have with Interactive Brokers. Finally, once you have located the float data, take a moment to analyze it in relation to the stock's trading volume and price movements. This will help you understand the liquidity of the stock and its potential impact on trading strategies. You are now ready to make more informed trading decisions based on the float you have observed.